So this video is going to be a talk through because I feel like talk throughs are more personable, and whenever I do voiceovers I feel weird because I feel like it's just not as real. So to create this look today, we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is like my favorite look for right now because it's like transitioning into spring and summertime. I just think for spring and summertime, like, these colors are perfect and I'm super excited. So I already did my eyebrows off camera, concealed my eyes as well, so we're just gonna go straight into the shadows. So I usually set my eyeshadow before I apply any like eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using my Morphe E20 brush, and then I'm just gonna take any random like shade. I'm using Tempera from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm just gonna set my whole lid with this. I have a hair on my eyelid. Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna be taking this color by the Jaclyn Hill palette, this color right here, with a little like fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna put that all over my crease and kind of just blend it out. So it kind of gives you like that wash of color that you're looking for. Oh my god, I look super pale right now and my hair is a little crazy, so I apologize for that, you guys. And I'm gonna take my Morphe M433 brush, and we're gonna go ahead and go in with this orangey color right here. And I'm really just gonna like drown my brush in that color because we want it to be as pigmented as possible. So then I'm just gonna start dragging that all the way from the out to the inner corner. So that it looks like that. And you want to make sure that the orange color is brought up really high. Not too high to where it's like dramatically crazy, but just high enough so that way the next color that we put in the crease doesn't disappear. Okay, then we're gonna get the Morphe M513, and then I'm just gonna use a dark brown shade. So I like to use this one right here just to kind of deepen the crease a little bit more. So I like to like raise my eye and then lightly swipe that in. And I always like to do the step of cutting my crease just because I feel like even if I'm not doing a cut crease, it'll make the pigment stand out a lot stronger and it's going to show up a little bit more and get more color payoff, and that's what I always want. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, and to do that I'm just using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And since I don't care about it being precise, I'm just going to put it on the lid. Again, you can skip this step if you want to. Like, I just do it just because I feel like the color payoff is a lot better and stands out more. But if you want a more subtle look, then you don't have to do this step. I mean, it already is teal, so you're probably like, Nasiya, what more like could you ask for? But I just love when the colors show. Especially when they're like really pretty colors like teal, because it just looks so pretty. I'm gonna take a flat shader brush, and to be honest, like, it doesn't matter what. I just like to use smaller flat shader brushes just because I feel like they get the eyeshadow more on there and it doesn't go everywhere. It's like not a mess. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these two colors right here, these two beautiful teals. So what I like to do is I like to put this one first on the lid, and then I like to put this shimmer one on top, just so it really brings out the teal of the color, but also the shiny one on top makes it shimmery. And you could do the shiny one alone, but like I said, it's way more vibrant in teal when I use both. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the matte teal first, and then I'm just gonna lightly pack that on. Look at that. Ooh, that teal is so freaking pretty. Okay, so that's just with the matte teal on. And if you want to leave it like this and you don't want the extra shimmer, by all means, do what you want. But I'm gonna add shimmer, so we're gonna take the shimmery teal now. And then we're just gonna put this on top of that. You guys see what I mean when I say it's like a pop of color? Like, it's so freaking pretty. And then it's gonna look like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go back in with the orange color. If I feel like it's disappeared a little bit, I'm gonna add it back in to the part that it was initially at. So like right here, I'm gonna add a little bit back in. And then I'm gonna go in again with that dark brown color, and then lightly go over that as well. And if you want to add eyeliner, you can. I didn't for this look just because I haven't been wearing eyeliner lately, just because I haven't been liking how it's been turning out because I haven't done it in so long, so I need to like practice doing it again. So now I'm just gonna put on my lashes. So the lashes that I use are these. They're super pretty. They're like hella dirty right now, but this is what they look like. They're from the Makeup Shack and they're in the style Ivy. These are my favorite lashes right now. I'm obsessed and I need to get a new pair because these are getting kind of out of hand. And you guys are wondering what tweezers these are. These are the Ulta Beauty eyelash tweezers. I got them from Ulta and they were only $10, and this is my second pair because I can't live without these now. I literally don't know any other way to apply my eyelashes than with this. I used to do it with regular tweezers, but after I got this, I was like, I just can't live without them. Like, I can apply my eyelashes with my hands, but it's just like, who wants to do that when you have easily accessible tweezers right here? Nobody wants to do that. I just think it's so crazy how much of a difference eyelashes can make. Cause like, because I have tiny eyes, I'm trying not to cuss as much, you guys, cause you know, I have like really tiny eyes. So for me, like before I even put eyelashes on or eyeliner, like my eyeshadow, like my eyes are just so small. So when I'm done with my eyeshadow, I feel like it's just like, like I know the eyelashes or the eyeliner, if I would choose to wear it, is gonna put it all together. But sometimes I'm just like, oh my god, like people are probably like, what the frick? She doesn't know what she's doing. And then they're like, oh, she has her eyelashes on now. Like, now it makes sense. Eyelashes just make so much of a difference and it's crazy. Like if I had to wear one piece of like makeup, or not one piece, but like one thing, whether it be like eyeshadow, eyelashes, foundation, whatever, I think I would choose eyelashes because I love eyeshadow and eyeshadow is like amazing to me. Like I love that there's so many different colors and whatnot, but I can't wear eyeshadow if I can't wear lashes. Like then it's just not gonna look right. It's gonna look funky. But eyelashes, like they have so many different styles. You can go more dramatic, you can go more like, you know, conservative or like natural, and it's just like so many options, you know? Sorry if I'm like rambling, you guys. I just don't want it to be like awkwardly quiet while I'm just sitting here putting my eyelashes on. So then I'm just gonna use my telescopic mascara to blend them together. And I already moisturized and prepped my face for foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation and I'm in the color 300. I really like this foundation. I think I said it in my last video. I think it makes me look, or like, it's not too matte, but it's not too satiny either. So it's like a, well, it says it's a soft matte anyway, so that makes sense, but you guys know what I mean. And I'm just doing the same thing I was in my last video. I'm using this foundation brush by Vanity Planet, and I love it. I cannot stress enough how much I love this brush. It literally just makes the foundation process so much faster and easier, in my opinion, because you don't have to pounce and pounce until it's blended. Like, you literally just spread it and it's like boom. They have like smaller ones too, obviously. Like, I said I would do a review with those brushes, but I don't know, like, if you guys want me to, let me know. Also, let me know if you prefer talk through tutorials or if you prefer when I do voiceovers, just because, you know, I obviously want to do whatever is best for you guys. For me, it's whatever. Like, with the talk through, I like it because I can like actually talk to you guys and I'm not like behind like the computer, like, okay, I have to plan out what I have to say and I have to be straight to the point. But I mean, let me know if I talk too much too, because then I can just do voiceovers and it's fine. And then I'm gonna do my usual setting my face with my Airspun loose face powder. Also, can I just say thank you guys for 123 subscribers. Like, okay, I know to some people that doesn't sound like a lot, but because it's like me, I'm just like super happy and grateful for that, because like, it's just so crazy. We grew so fast and like, we're still growing, you know what I mean? And it's just, I don't know, I just think it's so crazy. And like, I'm starting to get like a lot of comments from like you guys, and you guys are like telling me like that you love my videos, and I'm just like, oh my god, stop, like, thank you so much. Like, that's the goal. But it's like I don't know, sometimes I put out a video and I feel like nobody watches them, or I feel like they'll click on it and then they won't watch the full thing. And it's like, when people talk to me about like actual videos that I've posted, or just like in general, like commenting on like whatever, I just get super like giggly about it, I guess. It makes me super happy. I don't know, crazy. We're just growing fast, and it's like, we're gonna continue to grow, and it's like more motivating for me too, because sometimes I get in a funk where I'm literally, guys, my face routine is the same as the last video. Like, literally foundation, the same products, everything is the same except for my highlight, which I'll go over when I get there. I don't know, I just think it's crazy, because sometimes like I'll think about it and I'll be like I just feel not motivated right now, you know? And sometimes it's like, I get in a funk, because I'm like, I don't know what to post, like, I don't know what people want to see. And like, what I really just know how to do is like my own makeup, you know what I mean? Like, I know looks that I like trying new looks, so when it comes out good, I get excited and I want to like film it. And I mean, I have a lot of like, makeup wise, I have a lot of tutorials like planned, because I've tried a lot of new looks recently, and I'm like, oh my god, like, it turns out really pretty, so I want to like film it and stuff like that. I also just want to do like a mixture of different videos. Like, I don't want to just be pinpoint to just makeup. Like, I want to do like lifestyle videos and all that as well. And I find that a lot of my like lifestyle videos have the most views versus like anything else, which I think is super cool. But it's like, I just want to come up with like really cool ideas for you guys, you know? Just getting out of that little sentimental moment. Thank you guys for, you know, and the fact that we're still growing, and for liking my videos and actually watching me. I think it's super dope, super cool. Okay, so, oh my god, my hair is being weird. So then for highlight, I'm gonna use the Carly Bible Deluxe palette, and as you can see, this is my favorite highlight, because I literally hit pan, but it's just such a pretty highlight. And it's the highlight that I was obsessed with before I got the MRESI one. And I mean, I still love it, but I just freaking love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. I'm like shedding again. Put that on my nose. Ooh, ah, I can't. It's so pretty. Put it right here. I think I've said this before, you guys, but highlighting is my favorite part of my makeup because I just feel like it just makes everything blend together. So pretty. Sorry, who are you? Who? So for the lips, I feel like is what brings this whole look together. Obviously, if you're not really into dark lips, you can definitely wear a nude or a gloss. This look looks good either way with any type of lip. I've tried it. For me personally, I wanted to try like a brown glossy, like a dark brown glossy lip. So I'm using this Anastasia liquid lipstick, and it's the color Sepia. This color is super pretty. I love this color. Oh my god, this color is giving me life right now. When I let that semi-dry, I just like to make sure that I didn't miss anything on my face, and I don't think I did. But I do like to add a little bit of white eyeshadow in my brow bone just to kind of pull the look together. I'm going to take this little Morphe M508 brush, and then I'm going to take Tempera, and I'm just going to lightly dust that in the brow bone. And this kind of just brightens up the look a little bit more for me. So to make the lip glossy, I'm just going to put this lip gloss on, and it's by Victoria's Secret. It's a color Shine Gloss, and it was clear, but because I literally use this whenever I'm wearing liquid lipstick and want a gloss on top of it, it's like it turned into this pinky sparkly color. So I'm just going to put this on top to make it glossy. And then we're done, so we're just gonna set our entire face with the Mario Badescu setting spray. I'm gonna go put on some earrings real quick, so give me 1 second. That's better. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I really hoped you like it. I think this look is perfect for like summer, spring time, just because it's like, you know, bright colors, but it's also not too bright. And obviously, like I said, you could pair the lip with a nude lip if it works better for you, or obviously any kind of lip that you want. But this is just what I went for, and I loved how it came out. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!